So we're going to transfer it into our pot where we're going to cook it from. Okay. And we put in a little bit of water. We don't want to add in too much water. Next is we are going to bring it to boil. Okay, and cover it and let it boil for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to put my pan on the stove, and then we start preparing our vegetables. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna need onion, garlic, bell peppers, carrot, of course cooking oil, salt, and I'm gonna add in some olives, which is optional. Okay. And next I'm gonna add in a little bit of oil on our pan. Okay, and I'm gonna add in the garlic and the onion to our pan. I'm gonna add in our carrots to the pan. Please don't burn your garlic. So now, after my green pepper has cooked for a while, okay, I'm gonna get my other bell pepper and add it inside here. Give it a quick stir. Okay. So I'm gonna add in some dried herbs for added flavor. Give it a quick stir. So here is our favorite plate. And we are going to start serving our cassava. I wish you could smell this. Oh, smells so good. Okay, so we're gonna serve this with avocado. I just love avocado so much. So now at this point, if you want, you can add salt on your avocado, but I prefer not to add. And yeah, because I don't want to eat uncooked salt. So this is our dish. So delicious, so colorful, so everything. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And thank you once again. God bless you all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.